what's up guys, it's your boy D-Bag. So I had a couple friends spend the night last night and they have fallen asleep, so we're gonna try to wake them up. There's one second. So right now we've got some friends of mine, they're like knocked out. So we've got Jaren there, and then down there where those doors are, we've got Kyle. Now, alright, so it activates when you say activate. Alarm clock, activate.
Moving up aggressive alarm 1.
There he is, yeah. So real calm first. Jaren.
Good morning. Please wake
Jaren,
up.
wake up. It's Saturday.
You have a bright day ahead.
It's fall.
All stages failed. Aggressive mode activated. You son of a bitch. Wake up, you cunt.
It's an alarm clock. Will you wake up? Come on. Jaren, wait, there's a button.
Shutting down.
Ooh. Alright, Jay, push him off you.
What is this?
This is something I got off of an internet site. It's supposed to be the world's most aggressive alarm clock.
Why? Why would you buy this?
Push the button again. Right, here we go. Oh god. No, he's we're not waking him up. He's asleep. Jay, gonna go left. Nope. Does he walk like that?
What the hell, man?
Kyle.
What?
Kyle, it's time
Good
to get
morning.
up.
Please wake up.
No. John, what
All
the?
stages
Jesus
failed.
Christ!
Aggressive
No!
mode activated.
No! Let's go with him!
Kyle.
Oh, Christ! Jesus Christ! What the hell was that?
I'm sorry, man. It was Jay told me to go bug you with it. I bought it off of the internet. It was supposed to be.
This is the last goddamn time we let you buy something off eBay.
All right, man, calm down. You got a gun. Don't
I
forget.
just shot him. It's not me, you pussy.
He's moving.
Why is he breathing?
He's. Oh my God.
I think we should run.
Yeah.
Wake up,
Oh,
bitch.
he moved. Go.
Christ! Jay,
Wake up!
Get your ass up!
Fucking wake up before.
You're so dead.
I'm a motherfucking robot. CS Go is trash.
Jay, what the fuck?
I think you should have eaten that burrito. Let's gas this burrito. Shh. It's fucking shit.
Shut up.
It doesn't kill us that well.
I will kill you cunt bags. Not a evil move. The cow said move. Open the door.
We're gonna die.
I think he's gone.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Bullets with his name on it.
I think so.
It's time to wake up. Devil trash.
Oh shit!
I will kill all sleepers.
Oh god!
Sleeping is the devil's porn. Wake up, you cunts. My girlfriend thinks I'm clingy.
Oh god!
Oh my God, he killed Kyle.
How are we going to explain this?
We're not.
Who in their right mind is going to believe that an alarm clock of all things killed someone? Yeah, just make it look like they were... Oh my god.
Okay. Jay, we gotta get out of here.
What are we going to do about them?
We'll leave him here. We'll leave and we won't come back. Come on.
Where are we going to go?
Come on. We're gonna go where we first started. He won't look there.
They look so peaceful together.
They're dead. He's moving. Get in, go.
Says you.
He's coming. Switch spots with me. What the hell?
Why would you get something like this?
I'm sorry, it was there, it looked cool. He's getting closer.
He's right outside the door. Dude, we're dead. We're so dead. I can see him through the crack. He stopped on the stairs.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
He knows where he is.
Oh, Dylan. Dylan. Dylan.
Turn it off. Is it off?
It's time to wake up.
It's not off! It's not off!
Hello? Dylan? Hello? Anyone home? Hello? Guys? Anyone? I brought my new game. Dylan? Dylan? Hello? Dylan? Kyle? Dylan! Dylan! Dylan, you in here? Holy shit! Is this my camera? Oh, fuck! Ah, shit! Son of a bitch! Come on! Anyone? Help!
Have a great day. Thank you for using the aggressive alarm clock.